Dewan Juri yang terhormat, serta para pemirsa PAL TV dimanapun Anda berada. Ini dia penampilan menyanyi dari Ersha Fitria.
Ingatkah dirimu yang pernah menyakiti aku? Kau kecewakan aku, tapi ku maafkan selalu. Kini berganti kisah, ku menyakiti dirimu. Tapi apa yang terjadi? Kau meninggalkanku. Izinkan aku untuk terakhir kalinya semalam saja bersamamu, mengenang asmara kita. Dan aku pun berharap semoga kita tak berpisah, dan kau maafkan kesalahan yang pernah ku buat. Ingatkah dirimu yang pernah menyakiti aku? Kau kecewakan aku, tapi ku maafkan salahmu. Ini berganti kisah, ku menyakiti dirimu. Tapi apa yang terjadi? Kau meninggalkanku. Izinkan aku untuk terakhir kalinya semalam saja bersamamu, mengenang asmara kita. Dan aku pun berharap semoga kita tak berpisah, dan kau maafkan kesalahan yang pernah ku buat. Mengapa kau begitu bujana? Berpikir hanya dalam waktu yang sekejap mata. Ku tahu hanya bibirmu yang bicara, tapi hati kecilmu masih mencintaiku.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much, as long as love has arrived. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Take my eyes out of you, but in the way that I stare, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Take my eyes out of you. I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To roam a lonely night, I love you, baby. stay.
Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I beg. Oh, pretty baby,
Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love.
Baik, terima kasih. Dan penampilan selanjutnya dari Karinta Fahira.
I'd like to say I give it a try. I'd like to give it all on love. Maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie, that's a lie. And we can't deny it as much as we want, but in time our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later we wonder why we gave up. The truth is everyone knows. Oh, almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart, but right here in each other's arms. That we almost know what love was, but almost is never enough. If I could work the world overnight, there'd be no such thing as goodbye. You'd be standing there where you were, and we got a chance we deserve. Whoa. Then maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart, but right here in each other's arms. But we almost is never enough. Everyone else, oh, almost is never enough. Sesungguhnya dan akulah pemilik hatimu. Kau kan rasa cinta yang terdalam. Bersamaku kamu bisa bahagia selamanya. Sepantasnya dirimu seutuhnya untukku. Sempurnamu bila bersamaku, dan denganku kita akan bahagia selamanya. Oh, sumpah ku mencintaimu, sungguh kau gila karenamu. Sumpah mati hatiku untukmu, tak ada yang lain. Mati rasaku tanpamu, henti nafasku karenamu. Sumpah mati aku cinta. Sepantasnya
kasih.
Oke, dan peserta terakhir untuk hari ini yaitu Feral Armatia. Silahkan Feral.
Baik, ini pertama kali saya nyanyi di panggung, jadi kalau suaranya pas-pasan, semoga kalian tetap suka. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. It is the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, and hearts will never broken, and times will never frozen still. So you can keep me inside a pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. It is the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier, remembering the every piece of ya. It's the only thing that we keep this love in photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, and hearts will never broken, and times will never frozen still. So you can keep me. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Baik,
Terima
luar
kasih.
biasa sekali, terima kasih.
Yes.
Boleh langsung kembali ke grupnya masing-masing karena kita akan melanjutkan dengan workshop.
Betul sekali, dan kami juga berterima kasih kepada Dewan,
Betul.
ketiga Dewan juri kita. Ada Bunda En, ada Kamaruli, dan juga ada Kamu Tia. Dan pemirsa jangan kemana-mana, tetap di Audisi Presenter Pal TV 2019.